The 2025 Pasidumo and Stakeholders Summit. The first pillar of our gathering today is the Stakeholders Summit. We recognize quality, equitable education as a collective endeavor. It is a mission that requires continuous bayanihan with every sector of our society. This summit serves as our essential platform to strengthen the bond of partnership. While oftentimes we are privileged to be in forum and in open dialogue, we convene to formally acknowledge the dispensable role of our external partners, the most outstanding stakeholders who have provided invaluable resources, time, and dedication that directly support our schools, personnel, and most importantly, our learners. The second pillar, the heart of our event, is the Pasidumo, our annual awarding ceremony dedicated to uphold excellence. This is our institution's commitment to the rewards and recognition system under the Prime SRN Maturity Level 2 and the principles of the Civil Service Commission's Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence, or the PREIS. Today, we honor and celebrate the men and women who exemplify the highest standards of public service. This year, the Pasidumo recognizes our outstanding personnel, including the most outstanding teachers, non-teaching personnel, teaching-related personnel, department heads, coordinators, coaches, trainers, researchers, and program implementers. Our exemplary leaders, recognizing the most outstanding school heads and schools, including those inducted into the Hall of Famers. National Excellence and Loyalty, awarding the Gawad Superintendent, teachers, and schools with exemplary performance in national and international competitions. The National Assessment for School Heads, or NASH, top-notchers, who are recognized, and those that are recognized for most outstanding schools in MOOE liquidation and our dedicated loyalty awards.